Welcome. In this session, we would discuss the another few questions which were asked in your NET paper 1. This would be our final set for the NET paper 1 discussion. Now you have to pick up the correct statements. The government of India usually allocates somewhere around 4 to 4.5% of the GDP to education. So the first statement goes incorrect. The education cess goes to the central government. That's correct. The next thing that we would understand is the government of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu have established State Education Policy Commission. That's again correct. And this is to address the special needs and challenges within the education system in the state. The next is education is not a matter of central list. It's a matter of concurrent list. Both center and state have their say in the education. And Sustainable Development Goal 4 pertains to education. That's correct. So B, C and E are correct. So 1 becomes the correct option here. The next is which falls under which type of communication house journals fall. Now what is house journal? House journals are internal publications. So let's say we are an organization as Mindspread Solutions. So what we would do is we would have an internal publication which would talk about the newsletters, the announcements, the employee profiles, the other informations which are related to the company, and this would be circulated within the company members or within the employees and the employers. Now this is what is called as house journal, but this is a written form of communication. It is a print or a digital form of communication, right? So 3 becomes the right answer here. The next is which of the following are not the features of cooperative learning strategies. Now this was a question which was asked last year as well. We have appended one of the lectures in our lecture series focusing exclusively on cooperative learning, because recently this has become a very important topic. So as the name suggests, it's cooperative. So positive interdependence, face-to-face interactions, group behavior, accountabilities are some of the important things. So what are not part of the cooperative learning strategy? So question is not. Read it carefully. So individual competition is not part of it. Positive interdependence is of course part of it. Sole reliance on teacher guidance is not part of it. It is cooperative in nature. Individual rather than group accountability is not part of it. So A, C and D are not part of it. Okay, and therefore they would be the answer. The next is the education committees being established in the chronological order. Now, Yashpal committee, it actually focused on reforming the education system, came somewhere in 1993. Durgabai Deshmukh National Committee on Women Education back in 1958, and this was one of the earliest committees focusing on women education. Birla Ambani Committee, now this was in 2016 talking about school education reforms. Janardhan Reddy Committee 1990 talking about the improvement in school education again, and Hans Mehta Committee which was to review the progress of existing structures in the schooling system in 64-66. So those are the correct eras and the correct timelines. You can match those and lead to the answer. So these kind of committees and questions are usually asked. We have already covered the sequence of the major committees, their contribution and their major slogans and punchlines in certain cases which have been asked in your previous examinations. So practice those well, prepare those well, and of course you can have the QR code here to get more information and detail. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.